Hello, it's Mama Mo. I'm excited to show you how I change these fruits into this fruit sando. Oh, cute. Oh, that's a nice refreshing taste. The Japanese use a bread called shokupan. You can substitute just Texas bread. And for the spread, we are going to use mascarpone and whipping cream and sugar. Here are the fruits I decided to use for the sando. A fresh ripe mango, some strawberries, kiwi, and some small oranges. Here's the strawberry I just cut out. Do you think it looks like a tulip? So first we're going to clean out the strawberry and we have to shape it like a tulip. So with a small knife you just cut out two triangle shaped wedges. Now we have the mango and I'm going to slice them to make them into flower shapes. So here's the sliced and finally peeled mango, and I'm going to use this larger flower shape cookie cutter and push down. Let's see. Oops. Ta-da! There's the flower. We are now going to prepare the kiwi by peeling and then later slicing it. The nice green color of the kiwi is good to be used for the stalk, and I'm also going to use them for the leaves. We just slice the kiwi and then dry them on a paper towel. So for the orange, all we have to do is peel it. This smells nice and citrusy. So our fruits are ready. So are you following along with me? If you are, I hope you found the steps easy so far. Remember to hit that like button too. Okay, let's move on to making the filling. To prepare the filling, you need a chilled bowl. I'm going to put the smaller bowl on top of this just to keep everything cool. Next, we're going to add the mascarpone cheese. We're gonna whip this up. Okay, we have our filling ready. It's kind of like cream cheese, but a little bit more sweet. We're going to assemble now. And we are going to put it on a diagonal because this is how we're going to slice it. Here's our dollop of filling. So here's one of the strawberries. Our big giant mango. Here's our orange, and I'm going to use this kiwi. That will be the long leaves. Now we will get another piece of kiwi, which will be the stem. I'm going to add more of the mascarpone. Okay, and I think maybe I'll put another kiwi. Let's see how that will look later. Okay, I think this one is done. That's a sweet mango. Okay, this one is done. So if you see here, we have to put the fruit sideways like this. Okay, so again, just put some there, enough to hold it. You have to put it in this way, sideways, so that when we cut it, you will see the lovely pattern of the orange. More of the filling. Yep. Are you ready? So this is the other half. I'm going to cover it now. So now I'm going to wrap it up. So pull up this side, then this side. I guess we have to do this snugly. So we use a marker, just put a little line so that we know to slice here. One down and two to go. We'll just chill it and then we are going to do the big reveal. And here are the fruit sando, which have been chilling in the fridge for about 3 hours. I took my 10,000 step walk, did some grocery, and now we are back to reveal how our SANDO bread turned out. So, okay, here goes. Dun. Ooh, it's so pretty. So the kiwi that I put there, it worked out like little leaves, and our strawberry do look like tulips. I have the mango now. Doing the slice again on the line. Okay, you ready? I think the flower shape could be more defined, but that comes from the cookie cutter. But I think it still looks nice. Okay, here's our orange SANDO. Slicing on the line. Okay, are you ready for our orange SANDO? Ta-da! It is so cute. I can't believe I made this. Okay, now to put our work of art on display. Here's a closer look at our fruit SANDO. This is the orange one, and I like the way the shape of the orange really looks like a flower. Cutting those diagonal wedges gave it a look like a tulip. As for our mango one, the shape that we had from the cookie cutter didn't do the mango justice. And I hope you like the way I decorated the tray. I also used some of the mint I picked from the backyard. So there you go. I read strawberry was the best to put in a fruit SANDO because the taste went well with the filling. I like this one. It's good. Remember to hit that like button too. Yep. I can't believe I made this. It's a work of art.